Buddy, this is a octopus puzzle. The question is, how can you get the ring out of this octopus puzzle while blocked by a thread? See? Let's see. Alright. The first thread is solved. Okay. See? Right. Now, the next thread. Okay. Alright. Solve the puzzle.
Ring out.
Okay, the ring is out. That's simple.
Thank you.
But it's not easy. Alright. Thank you for watching.